The pursuit of perfection is a journey many strive for, leading to a pathway fraught with challenges and setbacks. Yet, it is the very essence of these so-called imperfections that make us uniquely human. This video delves into the concept of embracing our imperfections, using them as stepping stones to build a stronger, more authentic self. Understanding imperfection. We live in a world that often idolizes perfection, constantly bombarded with images of idealized lives, flawless appearances, and unattainable standards. This quest for perfection can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. However, it's essential to realize that imperfection is not a flaw, but a fundamental aspect of our existence. Take, for example, the story of Thomas Edison. His journey to invent the light bulb was not smooth sailing. He faced numerous failures, yet he famously said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's ability to embrace his imperfections and learn from them eventually led to a revolutionary invention that changed the world. The beauty of being imperfect. The beauty of imperfection lies in its authenticity. When we accept our imperfections, we open ourselves to genuine experiences and deeper connections. Consider the Japanese art of kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold, highlighting the cracks instead of hiding them. This art form celebrates imperfections, acknowledging that there is beauty and strength in the broken and repaired parts. In a similar vein, embracing our imperfections can lead to personal growth. Each flaw, mistake, or failure is an opportunity to learn and evolve. Reflect on the times you stumbled and recognized how these moments have shaped your character and resilience. Transforming imperfections into strengths. Transforming our imperfections into strengths is a powerful exercise in self-development. It involves acknowledging our weaknesses, understanding their impact, and taking proactive steps to turn them into assets. For instance, consider the story of J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Before her success, Rowling faced numerous rejections and personal struggles, including depression and financial difficulties. However, she used these challenges as fuel to create one of the most beloved book series in history. Her imperfections did not define her, rather, they shaped her narrative and success. The role of self-compassion. Self-compassion is a critical aspect of embracing our imperfections. It involves treating ourselves with the same kindness and understanding that we would offer to a good friend. When we make a mistake or face a setback, it's essential to avoid harsh self-criticism. Instead, acknowledge the situation, learn from it, and move forward with kindness and understanding. Dr. Kristen Neff, a leading expert on self-compassion, emphasizes its importance in personal growth. According to her research, self-compassion leads to greater emotional resilience, lower levels of anxiety and depression, and a more optimistic outlook on life. Inspiration from personal stories. Personal stories of overcoming imperfections can be incredibly inspiring. Consider the life of Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a troubled childhood and numerous career setbacks to become one of the most influential women in the world. Her story teaches us that our past does not define our future and that our imperfections can be the foundation of our greatest achievements. Similarly, the story of Stephen Hawking is a testament to the human spirit's resilience. Despite being diagnosed with a motor neuron disease at a young age, Hawking became one of the most renowned physicists in history. His physical limitations did not deter his intellectual pursuits. Instead, they fueled his determination to contribute to our understanding of the universe. Creating a supportive environment. Surrounding ourselves with supportive and understanding people is crucial in our journey of embracing imperfections. A nurturing environment fosters growth and acceptance. Seek out friends, family, or groups who encourage you, understand your struggles, and celebrate your uniqueness. The power of vulnerability. Brené Brown, a research professor and storyteller, highlights the power of vulnerability in her work. She argues that vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a source of strength. When we open ourselves up to our imperfections, we allow for authentic connections and experiences. Embracing vulnerability can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Continuous learning and growth. Finally, embracing imperfections is an ongoing process. It involves continuous learning, self-reflection, and growth. Setbacks and failures are not the end of the road, but rather signposts guiding us towards our true potential. Before we end this video, we wanted to conclude that being perfectly imperfect is not just a state of being, it's a journey of self-discovery and growth. By embracing our imperfections, we learn to appreciate our uniqueness, build resilience, and create a more authentic and fulfilling life. Remember, it's in the embrace of our imperfections that we find our true strength and beauty. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave your thoughts in the comments.